Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Srishtisha. I hope that you all are doing well at your houses and this is the most requested video. आपने टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा that this is a room tour of my house, of my room and without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, I have a small request to you all guys that please don't step out of your house unnecessarily and please sanitize your hands as soon as you come inside your house and try to keep yourself healthy. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Let's get into the video.
So this is the entrance of my house, my room. This is Tiger, my pet, and this is me. And I've drawn this, it's a little blurred out, but there's a cup of coffee and that's me, that's Tiger. So this is how my room looks like. Okay, so when I entered my room, straight away, oh my Tiger.
To my right, I have this beautiful showcase. This is a view from my bed which I get every morning. Okay, so moving on. This is hang. This is me and my father's hang. We got a statue together. And then this is me, my mom and my dad. This is the Eiffel Tower that I got when I was in Paris. I think 9 to 10 years back. This is another picture of mine which I got it framed during my sister's wedding. She gifted me. And this is another wax hand, a statue kind, which I got it when I was in Thailand, and this signifies I love you. That's I, that's L, and that's you. Strange. Okay, so this is a picture of mine when I was in Kashmir and I got full dressed up. This is a picture of mine when I was traveling to Belgium alone for the first time, and the air crew had gifted me. And this is again me wearing 7 t-shirts and then 2 jackets. As it was very cold while I was in Kashmir. It was snow falling and 2 caps. Okay, so again, when I was too young, my dad had clicked this picture for me and I look very cute. Thank you. Again, this is a picture of mine when I was I think 3 years old, and the last one is me when I was I think 6 months old. And so this is a picture of me and my family, my mom, my dad, my grandparents, and this was I think when I was 7 or 8 years old. And at the same time, on my birthday, my parents had gifted me this teddy bear.
So I have these chargers and stuff for my mobile phones and everything. So when I enter, to my left, I have these stuff I wanted unusual stuff.
And this is what I gifted my mom, dad on their anniversary. This was gifted by me to them. picture of me when I visited London for the first time and I got my face painted. This is a picture of mine when I was modeling during my younger days, like in my dance class. I had a fashion show, and this is the trophy that I got from Government of Gujarat while I had performed for the Laughter Day thing, and I secured the 3rd position. Coming next is a picture of mine where I dressed up totally as a fairy princess, and this is a cute little picture of me while I visited Taj Mahal during my younger days. And this is a trophy where I received the 1st position in my dance class, and I got a trophy. Very, very special to me. This frame is a sketch of mine being sketched by my daddy's friend, and she got me sketched this, not 1 but 2 frames. उन्होंने मेरे लिए ये बनाया था, and 1 frame I'm keeping it here with me. This is very near to my heart, so I keep this on this shelf of mine.
To the right of my bed, I have my laptop and laptop bag, my AirPods, my phone, bottles for me and Tiger. And sanitizer is a must. And a pen.
These pictures, these were gifted and decorated by my mom on my birthday. This is me, my mom and my dad. This is me. Again, this is me. This is me and my dad. This is me. This is me and my mom. This is, we are all cousins. My cousin brothers and sisters. Love, love, love. This is me. This is me, my dad, and all my friends, like my family friends. Love.
Storybox Audio.
This is me, my mom, and my dad. This is me, my mom, and my dad when we went to Singapore. So the next thing I have is my wardrobe, like my bedroom wardrobe. And please don't judge me, guys. This is very pathetic I have right now. These are my go-to bags, 1 and 2. I use them quite often. So yeah, closer look of my bedroom. Okay, naughty boy. Then I have my walk-in closet. And these are the belts that I usually use daily, on a daily basis. And this one beautiful thing that I have with me is this. I was gifted by the host family of Belgium. It's card, so beautiful. I love this. So it says, "It was nice to meet you. Thanks for the gifts, Jen and Noella." Thank you. I love this, and and I'm cherishing it with whole heart. Wholeheartedly. Yes, boss. My most favorite is this. I love this. I've never used this, but soon gonna do. The next is some makeup wipes, my sunglasses, and perfumes. And then below that, I have hair dryer and all my creams. This is a gift from my sister-in-law. She gifted me this, and this is baby stuff. My bathroom.
Some speakers. My room. This is the final tour of my room. Hi! Big boy! Big boy! Hi, Tiger!
So guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. See you all until the next time. Bye.